In this 10-minute movement break or exercise snack, we're taking care of balance, flexibility, overall health. We'll start with a couple balance-focused exercises, and then we'll move into some flow moves that are going to make us feel more flexible. We're adding movement to our day, taking care of our health and fitness. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Sandra. Let's get started. We'll start with a big inhale and exhale as we lift and lower our arms. Inhale the arms to the ceiling. Exhale the arms down. Shift your weight and get solid onto your left foot. We're going to be lightly tapping the right foot forward, side, and back. So you can have hands on your hips. And of course, if you prefer, have a hand on a support, back of a chair, countertop, a wall. So feeling solid onto that left foot. Right foot tap forward, side, back. Forward, side, back. Nice work. And then just pause. We're going to bring the arms down alongside the body. If you're holding onto a support, just move one arm. Our arms are going to follow the tapping. So forward, out to the side, reach back. Here we go. Forward, side, back. Tap forward, side, back. Standing nice and tall. Let's go one more each way. And bring that foot down. You can just shake things out and we'll do the other side. So we're going to get solid onto the right foot, really feeling secure on that right foot, hands on hips or one hand on a support. And then left foot, we'll start with the taps only. Tap forward, side, back. Light taps. Forward, side, back, and pause. Arms alongside the body. We're adding our arm movements. Here we go. Forward, side, back. Keep going. Feeling solid on that supporting leg. One more time through. Nice work, just shake everything out. All right, weight again onto the left foot and bring the right toes forward. Choose your hand position, hands on hips or on a support. And we're going to be crossing midline, tap, starting with our tap here, crossing midline. If it feels like a lot to cross midline, you can always just do a smaller tap, just bringing it out in front and out to the side. So decide what works for you, as always. So starting with those right toes forward, we're going to lift, cross midline, tap, and then back to starting. And cross, and back. And keep that going. To help with balance, find a spot across the room, on the floor, or any spot just to focus your gaze. That will help with balance using that visual guide. Let's go 4 more. And then bring the foot down, shake things out. Other side, putting our weight into the right foot, left toes come forward. And same idea, here we go, cross and back, cross and back. Working on improving balance. We'll go 2 more. And bring the foot down, shake it out. Nice work working on your balance. We're going to move into some dynamic stretching, some great movement to start the day or any point of the day. So we're going to have 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. This is a rocking move. Toes are pointing forward for both feet. And then as arms reach forward, our back heel will lift, reach up towards the ceiling, and then bring the arms down, rock back, lift your forward toes. So rock forward, back heel lifts, rock back, and your forward toe lifts. And just keep going like this. Nice big stretch. We'll do 2 more with this foot position. And then just switch your feet around. Again, checking that toes are pointing forward and going back to this rocking dynamic stretch. Two more. All right, we're gonna bring our feet wide and then arms out to a T with palms facing down. Bend into one knee, reach your fingertips to that side, and then come through center and bend into the other knee. And we're just going side to side. You decide how much you're bending into your knee. Just make sure it feels good for you. We're never working through pain or discomfort. And keep going, side to side move. Let's go 2 more each way. Come to center, bring the arms down, and we'll bring the feet a little bit closer together. They're still a bit wider than hip width. Arms alongside the body. Just let your fingertips rest on the outside of your thigh. And we'll gently do a side bend over to one side. Just let your fingertips slide down your leg. And come back up to center and then side bend the other way. Inhale at center, exhale side bend. Keep going, just opening up the side of the body. We'll do 2 more for each side. Nice work. Come up to center. Bring your arms back out to a T. This time turn your palms forward. We're going to cross our arms and touch the opposite shoulder and then open up to the T and cross. See if you can alternate which arm comes on top. If you notice which arm is on top, then switch the next time. Inhale to really open those arms. Exhale to tap your shoulders. Thinking about nice tall spine, standing tall. We'll do 2 more. And bring the arms out, lower the arms down. Shoulder rolls, rolling those shoulders up, back, and down. This is great to do anytime through the day. Reminder to bring our shoulders back and down. 2 more. And keeping those shoulders back and down, we'll very gently turn the head side to side. So just turning to one side and then come to center and turn to the other side. Whatever distance is right for you. So not forcing anything. 1 more each side. And come to center. In a moment, we'll have one more big breath, lifting and lowering our arms. And I want to thank you as always. I always appreciate you joining me. And after the workout, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this workout. All right, here we go. We're going to inhale the arms to the ceiling, exhale the arms down, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Take good care.